Hello, how's everybody doing today? My name is Nicky, Silver Stacker. If you're new to my channel, make sure you hit that thumbs up button and subscribe. Today I'm going to be talking about using a magnet so you can verify your silver is real. I got other videos out there as well. I got used different methods, but let's check this out. This is one of my silver coins. You can see the nice little Indian here. See the back, it's a buffalo. Um, boom, boom. And this is my little magnet. If it's fake, it should stick. See, it doesn't stick. Let me see something. Let me try to find something that is metal. Let me see something. All right, see, this is metal, so it sticks. All right, so let me show you guys the silver. It doesn't stick. Okay, so get the silver magnet. They're pretty cheap, and you can check that out as well. If you're interested in getting yourself some silver, I will put the link below. It's freesilvertour.com. Just take us the tour of the website and get yourself a little gram of silver. Silver has gone up last 2 weeks. It hit all-time high of 56. It went down a little bit. Now it's above 50. So I just want to go ahead and thank you for watching. Don't forget, hit that thumbs up and subscribe. Bye.